Welcome back to Ryan Campbell, SOUPEDTONUTS. Got a special video here for you today. Picking up my intercooler piping here at Dynamic Performance. Yeah, buddy. Getting the project car rolling along. Coming right at you.
You are tuned in to Ryan Campbell, Soup to Nuts.
This is the type of stuff you see when you're rolling up to the shop. The shop. Yes, sir. Look at the type of goodies they got going in here. You got some AEM stuff down there. Down there. Got some pretty things going on. Got a badass cage. Even got some carbon. Got some good old carbon here. Guess what that is? Take a wild guess what that is. Somebody's getting down with that wide body life. That's a big old girl there, out there in the wild. Big old girl. And you see stuff like this, and you see stuff like that, you know somebody means business. What we got here? What have we got here? All the colors of the rainbow. Rumor has it they sacrifice small animals on this thing right here. It's like a cutting board. Chop, 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 chop. Little K-Series for you? Little K-Series magic? Little DP race parts? Some race parts? You want some race parts? You know what? What? Is that on the other side of the car? Look at that custom steering wheel. That's expensive shit right there. Can't get that anywhere. Wait a second. What is this? What is this? What is this? Is that a Supra? Is that a Supra? 2JZ, no shit. Wonder if they got overnight parts from Japan. That's a fairly healthy intake manifold there. It can hold a small body if you need to. I mean, just, who doesn't just have, turbo just laying around all over the place? Because, that's the kind of life I want to live. Conclusion of the good old shop tour. They are a bunch of pretty neat gearheads, if I do say so myself. They're really good guys. They do very good work as well. They're really big in the Honda community, and I'm sure a lot of people viewing this already know that. But anywho, they're good guys. They'll treat you right, and they always have cool crap in the shop. There's always a few very, very cool, interesting to look at vehicles. I like to look at vehicles. Vehicles are fun to look at. If you're a car guy, it's like checking out a model. It gets you all revved up, pun intended. So if you're ever in the area, stop by, say hi to them. If you ever see me, stop by, say hi. I'm pretty friendly usually. It's I obviously have a few screws loose, but that's a whole nother story for a whole nother day for a whole nother video. But I'm pretty friendly, unless you mistreat me and abuse me. Then I stand up for myself a little bit. A little bit. We don't need to get into all this right now. There's no need for any. This is just all nonsense, jibber jabber, BS crap that just has no business being in this video at all whatsoever. But if you see any of my other videos, I fumble words around, I make crap up, I say a bunch of dumb crap that has nothing to do with cars, nothing to do with what's going on in the video. It's just my head has problems, or so my therapist tells me, and my parents, and my grandparents, and my aunts and uncles, and my cousins, and all the pets I've ever had. Yes, they speak to me. I speak to them. We have elaborate conversations. I've learned a lot from that. This is a perfect example of the crap you get on this channel. It's a little off. By a little off, I mean the entire light switch is off, and there's no power whatsoever being fed to the switch either. So that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider subscribing down here. Give me a like, comment. I'd appreciate it. And check out some of my other content, some of my other videos. Maybe I'll amuse you. I think I will. I'm pretty confident that I'll amuse you. So check out my other crap, please. I'd appreciate it very much. Please. I'm asking, please. You can't say no. It's against the rules. That being said, don't forget to drive fast. Take chances.